So first up, you have to remove the favas from their shells, and then you need to blanch them by dropping them in some boiling, salty water for about 5 minutes or until they're nice and tender. Then shock them in an ice bath, and once cool, you'll need to slip each and every one out of its skin. It's kind of a pain, but it's worth it. Put the peeled favas in a food processor and add some salt, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and plenty of extra virgin olive oil. Buzz them up and then taste for seasoning. You can adjust by adding more salt or lemon if needed, and then puree until nice and smooth. Next, toast up a few slices of crusty bread and then spread a generous amount of the fava puree on each. Then use a vegetable peeler to shave salty shards of Pecorino Romano and then tear some fresh mint leaves right over top. Serve them up and enjoy.
Favas will only be around for a little bit longer, so make sure you get your fix now.